Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Safeum application on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Safeum application on your mobile device is easy. Open up your App Store or your Play Store and in the search box, type in Safeum and search. Once you find this application that says Safeum Secure Messenger, tap the Get button. Now wait for the application to be downloaded on your mobile device, which will only take a few minutes. But make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once the application is downloaded, you can see an open button popping up right beneath the app. Tap on open to open the app. Allow necessary permissions and you can now easily sign in or create a new account for Safeum. Safeum is a comprehensive solution for secure communication. It encrypts instant text messages, voice and video calls, group chats and files. That is how you can easily download Safeum application right on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.